Hey guys, happy Friday. Oops, it's not Friday. It's happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. We did get on low volume, we did get some move to the upside. We're up 14.29%. Maybe dilution is finally done and we can't go any lower than this new higher floor right here at 004s. That might be our higher floor. This is beautiful to see. This is what we want to see with any stock for that matter. It doesn't matter if it's a penny stock or Isla stock or whatever stock, it doesn't matter. What we like to see is a stock that creates that higher floor. For me, it doesn't matter if it creates a higher floor, I'll just buy at that higher floor, wherever that may be. Just because it creates a higher floor does not mean it won't come back down to that floor. Again, we've seen that happen many times in the past. Here at 006, ran up as far as 181, came back down to 005s, did it again and again until that huge dunk dunk to 002s. And yeah, now we're creating a higher floor, which is again, that is, let's look at the weekly. Let's look at the weekly, guys. Let me pull up the rectangle tool. This is my technical analysis, so actually I don't need the rectangle tool. Oh boy. Yeah, there might be some opportunities here. This is the huge downtrend we just broke out of. Finally. And we went sideways down here. So there you go, guys. This is the start of an uptrend, my friends. That is confirmation right here. Buyer stepped in. Now we know that the trend line is going to be our buy opportunity. I already bought in. Like I said, I have a position at 007, 0057, and low 004s. So I don't have my full $10,000 position, unfortunately, only 3,000. Because I wanted to lump sum the big position down here at 003s. I guess that was greedy of me. But hey, if it's going to create a higher floor, that's fine. I'm still in it regardless with 3K. If this thing goes to a 007, I can get out and make 500 bucks actually. So I'm still going to make money regardless. And you are too if you've been following the game plan. But that aside, let me look at the monthly before I let you guys go. It's going to be short and sweet. We're not going to talk on and on about anything. Let's see. The monthly, we have resistance at 7 and then 9. Yeah, really the biggest levels are going to be 7 and 9 here on the monthly. Yeah, 7 and 9 are going to be huge. So that's going to be the big levels to watch out for moving forward is 0075 and then the big 1 penny break. If we can get with that 1 penny break, we can go to 126 and possibly as far as 1.8. That's the farthest it went to here on this candle before a huge sell-off ensued, causing it to close at 101 after reaching a high of 1.8. So people will take profits, of course, after a huge run up. So those are your sell targets: 75, 1 penny, and possibly 1.8 if we get the right kind of momentum going. More than anything, we do have August is right around the corner. I mean, time flies, right? August is what, a month and a few days from now. We're gonna get some big PRs around that time. So I would say if you're not in it yet, uh, I'm not gonna tell you to buy now, but you better get in it before it goes to a penny. I think we will see a penny eventually. It's just, especially with the fact that we created a higher floor. See, we had the floor down here at 002s, and we were able to hit 0099. So in my opinion, if we get a similar move in the future, which like I just showed you, it loves to rinse and repeat these moves. 1, 2, 3. So if that's going to be the pattern and we established a higher floor at 004s, then it just goes without saying that we should be able to break 1 penny and go up above it now that we've created a higher floor that's 002 above our previous floor at 002. You get what I'm saying? So we're at 004 now as the higher floor. We should have no problem breaking that 1 penny. And right now it moved what, 14% on no PR. There was no PR, guys. So let's wait and see what happens come August. I did watch his Steve Reinhardt's weekly video, but I really didn't. there really wasn't anything to get excited about. So there you go, guys. Now I'm going to remove the 70% position here because that's not happening. And I'm definitely not going to add any more up here. Now I'm going to establish this little rectangle. That is the new floor. And that is where I will be buying next if it does come down there. And that is it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. I will see you guys in the next one.